हेलो मेरे प्यारे बंधु, दिस इज तानिया एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज का जो व्लॉग है ना वो बहुत ही रैंडम है। राइट नाउ इट्स 2 AM इन द मॉर्निंग एंड राइट नाउ आई एम इन हैदराबाद। इफ यू आर थिंकिंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग so early in the morning, I'm doing nothing. I'm just going to my home, Kolkata. Actually, I swear, nail like we haven't slept because we have to our cab is already here and we'll be just out within 10 minutes. तो सोने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है वैसे भी। थैंक्स टू लॉकडाउन आवर स्लीपिंग साइकिल हैज़ चेंज। लाइक अर्लियर वी यूज्ड टू स्लीप बाय 12, नाउ वी स्लीप बाय 2 or 3, तो कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है। वी आर जस्ट चिलिंग एंड watching videos and now we have got ready and going. Let me tell you why I'm doing this vlog. So as you all know, after this lockdown and all the process has been changed in the airport, and we also really don't know what are the changes, what are the rules and regulations that has been put on there. So I thought ki maybe you guys also have this question in your mind ki what has changed, whether should we travel or whether if our parents are coming what they will face or not. So I thought whatever I will experience today I will let you guys know. I will share my total experience from Hyderabad to Kolkata. Oh, before that guys, if you find this video really helpful then please share this video and please do watch this video till the end. ठीक है? Okay, so what I was telling, so the first thing first is like when you're booking these flight tickets online, you have to do this web check-in. Like your check-in will be done by web only and then you will be able to select your seat. Once your seat are available you will get the notification that okay, this is your PNR. The PNR, you know, the ticket and all of the boarding pass, seat, flight number, everything will get. And now what you have to do is that you have to print it out and put them on your bag. Like see, so as you saw we have checked in like via Make My Trip, and there only they have given these rules that first of all you have to have the Arogya Setu app, which you all know I guess, that it asks a few questions and just try to detect at least that you have COVID symptoms or not. If you don't have any COVID symptoms then it's shown that you are safe and all. And one luggage bag and one checking bag is allowed, so total 2 bags. One luggage bag which we take into the plane, that is for 7 kg as you all know, and the check-in bag for 20 kgs. So that's all information before I go out and go to the airport. So chalo, see you at the airport. So guys, finally I have reached the airport and my security checking is also done. As you can see there are like chairs, so in a row 4 chairs, only 2 can sit. So there goes these 2 seats that says written don't sit here, so you have to maintain the gap. And regarding the process there is no much changes. The normal process only, you can see more glass shield so that it stay protected and all the trays are like disinfected. So this much changes, nothing more, no difficulties, very less crowd, so at least it is like very hassle free. And this seat thing I like quite a lot because it's like you are maintaining the distance and very quiet, and especially it's me in the morning. Now it is just 4 AM, so it's very quiet, very less people, so is very useful out here. So do bring all the protection like mask and glove. That's it, no much differences, nothing to worry about. Yeah, they have given a form also whose name is COVID-19 self-faith declaration form, so that we have filled up, but let's see what we have to do with that. I'll keep on updating you guys. Chalo, keep on watching.
By the way, the best thing about this flight was that the middle seat was allocated to none throughout the flight, so we can keep a safe distance from our fellow passenger on the other side. Also, water was provided to us, so don't worry about water. And we were like really comfortable in that face shield. I was really worried about that, but it was quite comfortable, so we were doing a little fun.
Finally, I'm in Kolkata. I have reached here and now going home. तो जो फ़्लाइट में जो सेल्फ डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म था उसका बस कुछ काम नहीं है, वो सिर्फ एयरपोर्ट में जब आप लोग आओगे कोलकाता का तो बाहर निकल के टाइम आप लोगों को एक ड्रॉप बॉक्स मिलेगा. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट ड्रॉप दैट डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म देयर. पता नहीं लाइक आई सॉ द ड्रॉप बॉक्स इज फुल ऑफ फॉर्म्स. चेक करता है कि नहीं, बट आई होप चेक करता होगा. सो कोई झंझट कुछ भी नहीं है, कुछ रूल्स रेगुलेशंस ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जैसा हम लोग सोच रहे थे. सो इट्स रियली ईजी. But I have heard that in many states it's very restricted and people are taken to hotel for 4 days. Tests are done, so I don't know. Do let me know आप लोगों का states में क्या है rules. इधर it's easy. So if you're like if your parents are coming or if you're coming to Kolkata, so just chill, nothing to worry. That's why I made this vlog to tell you guys how my experience is from Hyderabad to Kolkata, and it's really pretty seamless and easy one. So now without any headache you can come. और कमेंट करके बताओ हेल्पफुल हुआ कि नहीं और तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा. तुम अगर कोई और स्टेट से हो और मेरा प्रोसेस पूरा देखते तुमको कैसा लगा सब बताओ. एंड आई एम रियली टायर्ड, सो चलो साइनिंग ऑफ. सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन टाटा. ओ हाँ, चलो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, ठीक है ना, और शेयर भी अगर अच्छा लगा तो, और लाइक भी हो.